Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this Vauxhall Movano. This is the L3H2 van and the F3500 kg. So we've got a 3500 kg payload. We've got obviously high roof, long wheelbase. Super van. Just done under 32,000 miles. And still has the balance of your manufacturer's guarantee with it being a 70 registration. Sat on the steel wheels with centre flush fitting wheel caps. The paintwork and the condition of the van is in superb order. Very nice. We've got the LED style front headlamps on this later version of the Movano, and as I say, the paintwork on the front is in great condition. Everything about this vehicle is in super order, so you can buy in full confidence on it. A lovely vehicle, fully ply lined, a one owner vehicle. Tyres are all superb. It'll go through our inspection process before it leaves Wigan, or before you collect it from Wigan. The panels are all in great condition. No real damage to speak of in any respect, but these are a huge mega space van. When I'm in the van now, you can fit anything in there. Absolute wonderful. We've got parking sensors on the back just to help you reverse it, because it does take some reversing. But when you look down the sides of them, they're in super order throughout. Everything about it, nothing really I can say that would detract from purchasing the vehicle, but please come and inspect it here in Wigan. Fully polished, fully detailed, so that it looks as good as it was when it left the showroom back in 20. Now, popping in here now, we've got full electric pack on this. All the trim work is in wonderful condition, as you can see. No real damage to speak of. The steps are all nicely cared for. Again, no paint, no sealer. This van hasn't been used, I don't think, in any sort of commercial sort of building trade. The seats are all in lovely order. The cloth trim is in nice, fresh, no cigarette burns or damage rips. Again, debris. As I step up into the van, you've got 31,199 miles. So that's 31,199 miles as I start her up. We've got automatic wipers, we've got automatic headlamps, we've got DAB radio with Bluetooth. It's in a super order. 6-speed manual transmission. We've got the heater controls, we've got the MP3 Bluetooth stereo, we've got an auxiliary as well to go there. We've also got another auxiliary in the stereo system. The seats are all wonderful. There's no marks or anything on any of these seats. They're all in exceptional order. I don't smoke, and I can tell this van hasn't been smoked in either. It's lovely. The roof lining's superb. We've got storage facility up on the roof there. We've got the captain's chair for long distances. But everything about this van is in superb order. We've got the book pack here as well. I've photographed the 2 services at the dealership, but looking around it, it's in great condition. Absolutely nothing would detract from buying this vehicle from Alpha Motors here in Wigan. We've got the balance of manufacturer's guarantee, as I said. Now, taking a look in the van, mega space vehicle. We've got ply lining to the floor. We've got ply lining to the sides. We've got illumination up there. The roof's in fantastic order. The wheel wells are all in super shape. What a super van. Steel bulkhead as well. Door cards are ply lined as well. Step in it and walk out of it, couldn't you? It's huge. Mega space van. High roof. Again, let's take a look inside the side loading door. All in nice order. The paintwork around the door apertures, the bulkhead, slight marks on it, but done a bit of work. It's earned a bit of money, hasn't it? Ply lining's all nice. you particularly might want to change the floor, but that won't bother me. It's inside. What a nice vehicle. A really nice vehicle. So, if you'd like to reserve this here in Wigan, give me a call. I'm Graham. We've got Dom and Lee on sales. What we do, we take a £250 fully refundable deposit, and that will then process the vehicle, so you only need to come once. Once you've approved it, you can pay for it via a banking app, or you can take finance with us, and you drive away in the same day. It's ready to collect, so you only need to come to Wigan once. Super vehicle. Book pack there, yes. Service history's all there, yes. Cab's in fantastic condition, yes. Fully ply lined. Body working, well, as good as it was when it left the showroom. Get your name on the side of it. Very professional outfit. 70 plate with manufacturer's warranty. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.